Let's see how you can move 3D objects around a scene with Rogue Engine. Here is your Rogue workspace. On the left is your scene hierarchy where all the objects in your scene are listed. Select the default cube and you can see it selected in the scene view. Select the main camera object and you will see a window showing what the camera is seeing. Let's go back to the cube and move it in the scene by clicking and dragging the arrows. The red arrows are the x-axis, the green ones the y-axis, and the blue arrows are the z-axis. We can change the position in the transform panel on the right too. Use the mouse wheel to move your view towards an object, then right-click and drag to rotate around. Select toggle camera mode to rotate the scene around the camera with the right mouse button. Hold Shift and right-click to move your view up and down and side to side. Rotate object with the Rotate widget or change the rotation values in the Transform panel. That's how to move objects in the Rogue Engine editor.